Correcting belt pulley alignment extends an asset's life cycle and lowers power consumption by improving efficiency and decreasing wear. When a pulley is misaligned, the misalignment causes additional load on the machinery. Laser pulley alignment decreases vibration, prolongs belt and bearing life, and reduces vibration, noise, and energy consumption. While it is possible to identify misalignment visually or using a straight edge, a laser alignment tool is a faster, easier, better way to find angular, vertical, and horizontal misalignment. Belt alignment problems are actually often caused by a lack of suitable alignment tools. For many years, a tight wire or straight edge were the only belt alignment tools available. Without adequate tools, achieving optimal alignment is difficult and time-consuming. But PRUFTECHNIK laser alignment tools are convenient and easy to use. They are quick to set up and mount securely with a magnet. The single laser technology makes it easy to identify and achieve accurate alignment. Contact PRUFTECHNIK, a Fluke Reliability company, to learn more about our alignment tools today.